Hi, my name is David, and this video is just a relatively quick overview of this range of safes made by Chubbsafes, and the range is the Homestar range. We are London and home county safes on londonsafes.co.uk, and we do free delivery on all bolted safes, and this is a bolted safe in the area that you see at the bottom there, London, Bedfordshire, etc. So you can order this safe for free delivery and free installation. There is a link to the range in the video description, or if you're outside of that area, you can order it from us and it will be delivered to you but not installed, so you need to install it yourself or get someone to install it for you. It's the same process, just order it on the website on the link. So the Homestar safe from Chubbsafes is a range of three sizes, three electronic safes, battery operated, and this is the smallest of the three. This is the 17E. The next larger size, which is roughly double the size of this, is the 54E. It's all on the website. And they do one other one that's much wider and flatter and deeper, which is designed primarily for the storage of laptops, laptop computers, notebooks, that sort of thing. There'll be a more detailed video on this particular safe, the 17E, up in the top right of the screen now, if you want to click on that. It'll also be at the end of the video if you want to wait all the way to the end. As I say, this is just an overview. So it's a battery operated digital safe rated for storing up to £2,000 in cash or up to £20,000 in valuables. Operated by a touch keypad that illuminates when you touch it like that. The knob is purely decorative, it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to go ahead and open it using the default factory code. So you illuminate the keypad, touch it anywhere. Factory code, no secret, it's just 4 zeros, and that is now opening. It says OK, and it's actually withdrawn the bolt. So the bolts that are on the side have already retracted, allowing the safe to open. And as it opens, you get an overview of the safe itself. You've got a LED light inside there. The whole thing is triggered by that micro switch, which is now just locked the bolt, so it senses when the door shuts as that micro switch engages and relocks the bolt. Looking inside, the whole safe, they're all lined with this kind of what do you call it, baize or something type material. There's 4 relatively small fixing holes on the base and 4 also on the back. The safe ships with these kind of expanding anchors. Most safes come with a version of this type of thing. Whether or not this is going to be appropriate when you receive your safe for the surfaces you're fitting to, you won't know until it arrives. However, what I would say is that when we're installing the safe, these go in the bin, we throw them away, and we have our own range of fixings that we use, various lengths and thicknesses and different methods that we use in order to install the safe in your property. This is the box that the safe comes in, and as you can see, it's got the Association of Insurance Surveyors Limited AIS approved safe logo. Just going to flip the box over, and yeah, it's no surprise to see the made in China little logo there. Chubbsafes were, historically made in the Midlands, but like I guess everything outsourcing, they're now made in China. It also comes with a little label on the side, Chubb Homestar 17E, I guess so that's the factory note that they're making it for. This Chubbsafes logo, this used to be made of aluminium on some of the bigger safes. This one is just plastic and stuck on. There's no emergency keys with this, so you're entirely reliant upon the electronics on this particular safe. The batteries live inside the safe door. You've got another little door, and that's where your batteries live, and it comes with these full VIN batteries. This is how it's shipped to you from Chubb. As I say, no emergency key. You are reliant on the electronics. You've got if the batteries go flat, this little piece pops off and it reveals the terminals there of a 9-volt battery. So I've got one here just to show you. So if the batteries have gone flat, then you can use this 9-volt battery, which you see the terminals match up. You press that against there and touch the screen, it'll power up. You need to hold that there while simultaneously tapping your code in. That'll open the safe. Then you can then replace your 4 AA batteries that are inside. So that's it really. My opinion, yeah, it's okay. It's not a lifelong investment. if you're buying something like this, you know, this is relatively temporary. It's not a very high value safe. It's not a big commitment. I don't know how, you know, electronics, how long it's going to last, you know, in the long term. Might last decades, but then again it might not. If you're looking to spend, or rather if you're looking to buy a safe that's an investment, something that you really think is going to last, or you want to last a long time, I would have a look at our Bloomsbury 40k range. Yeah, have a look at that. I'll put a link here to the Bloomsbury 40k range. That should be up the top there for you now. Yeah, have a look at those. They do have emergency keys. It's a much more heavy construction. Thanks for watching. London and Home County Safes on londonsafes.co.uk.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.